We're going to be doing a lot of outdoor activities today.
Hey, welcome to Yaaman Adventure. Yeah, this is where we make it happen, okay guys?
They don't like petting, do they? No.
Look at these birds. So we're outside, the man them outside. Come on. Raw, boy. Oh yeah, we're high. We're at the secret, what's this called? Secret river. Secret river for them. Secret cave, you know.
This cave is 100 feet deep.
Bro.
Yes, man.
If you can visit Jamaica, visit my homeland. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. In 3, 2, 1. Yo my people them, it's your boy Jael, you know what, and I'm back with another video. And today, well, you can see where I am. Your boy is outside, and talking about outside, we're going to be doing a lot of outdoor activities today. And as always, I'm going to take you guys with me so you can share the same experience. But take this view in, innit? It's mad. This is the morning view, you know. Man wakes up. The time right now is 8 AM. Look at this. Look at the view with them. Come on, man. We little, but we Taloa. Hold tight, Jamaica. But I want you lot to stay tuned. There's going to be a lot of fun things to do today, you know, and you're going to experience it as well. You don't want to miss this one. Peace.
But this is one of the secret spots, you know what I mean? Yeah, so we're calling it secret in the park. Hey, if you look around, what do you see? All bush.
I tell them.
Yeah, hey, welcome to Yaaman Adventure. Yeah, this is where we make it happen, okay guys? Yeah, man, right here at our secret river.
Secret
Come and have
river.
fun, all right? Yeah.
We're outside. You heard what my man said. Stay tuned for that. We're at the secret river, called White River. They must say caution handrail at all times, but you know, man has to hold the GoPro and that. But yeah, man, hope you lot are enjoying the content so far. Like the video if you like the video. Share the video if you like the video. Subscribe if you haven't done already, man. This is lovely, man. Take care. Beautiful water, man. back. On you. Same. We're at the secret. What's this called? Secret river. Secret river for them. So they just put, you know, the safety precautions. You don't have to show you behind the scenes. But mind you, got my lifeguard. Introduce yourself.
My name is Dama and I'm 19 years old.
Dama.
20, I'm 20 years old.
From where are you from? Tell them where you're from.
From Jamaica.
Shout out your parish.
Saying me, big up people.
Spirit.
Come on. Let's do this. Let's do this, man. Raw. Just that alone was bad, you know. Raw, boy. Oh yeah, we're high. Alright. My people them. Like and subscribe, boy. Let's go. In 3, 2, 1. No, look at the scenes, man. Big up Jamaica. We need to get over there. I can't lie, I can't swim with this life jacket, man. I'd rather swim without it. But that was mad. What? Oh, like and subscribe. We are going to the cave now. Come this way. Jump. Okay.
You let go, man.
Oh, wait, I'm
Jump.
secret cave, you know.
Alright, this is the cave over here.
Huh?
When you're going inside the cave, you're going to lean on your back and relax. Tilt your head all the way back in the water, okay? Put your hand on your chest. And don't put yourself down.
Raw, bro.
It's like you're going to death.
Go.
Hands on your chest, head all the way down. Come right to it. Yeah. Hey, grab this.
That's mad. We're inside. It's crazy. Pick yourself up. What's your name?
Yeah, man. My name's John, guys.
John, guys. Come on.
Yeah, man.
Bro, it's bare dark in here.
Yeah.
Bro, man. In the cave for true.
Hell no.
I don't see it. There's light there, boy. There's no light there. Man's inside the cave.
I'm just saying, this is a
Secret beach.
I don't even know.
Come on.
Eyes open.
Turn around.
Alright, listen up everyone. I'm gonna give you a little history on this cave, okay? This cave is 100 feet deep.
Bro.
Yes man. The secret about it, it goes down and goes all the way back around. Okay? You see the crack above your head right there?
Yeah.
You can climb all the way back to the top of the falls. But you gotta be super slim to do it though, okay?
I wouldn't be able to do that, man.
Back in the 18th centuries, slaves used to come under here and hide from their slave masters. You see the hydro turbine you just walked through right there? That was used to generate electricity and pump water toward the whole plantation that you're on right now. Yes man, 2,000 worth of acres. Yeah man, they would mine pimento, lime and coffee. You know what pimento is?
Yeah, pimento seed.
Yes man, allspice. They use it to make soap sometimes and seasonings. Yeah man. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. On your back. Ready? On your back.
You get over here.
Head down, head down, head down.
Head down. It's live in the flesh, you know. Live in the flesh, you know. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Look at your face, bro. Nah, this is too sick. Nah, this is too sick. If you can, visit Jamaica. Visit my homeland. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. It's amazing. It's peaceful. Tranquil, serenity, clear waters like this, man. Got a nice waterfall, and I hope you enjoyed the little history lesson that we just had in the cave. But yeah, man. Peace.
Oh my god. Hey, no, I gotta jump one more time.
Birds, man. What I'm saying, what?
They don't like petting. No.
Look at these birds. So we're outside, the man them outside.
Yeah.
Rita, come on. Gang gang.
No, those small seeds.
Gang, gang.
Gang gang.